Hey guys, welcome back to class. Today we'll be talking about the different types of government, how they relate to each other, how they relate to their people, what some examples are, and where they're found in various countries. After this video, there's also another video I want you to watch on Edpuzzle and a game. Be sure to do those things and send me the results. Talk about it in class. Thanks! First, let's talk about why government is important. Government is important for a lot of reasons. As we'll show in the next few slides, there are disadvantages to not having a government, and there are advantages to having a government, and oftentimes these can impact the way we live greatly. Having a government can be hugely detrimental to people and can affect the way we live a lot. There's a type of government in which they seek to not have a government called anarchy, which we'll discuss later. But in general, not having government means a lot of chaos, a lot of disarray. There tends not to be any order, and people are pretty dysfunctional. Having a government, on the other hand, tends to be very helpful for people. If implemented correctly, they're a huge success, and they benefit the people, they don't harm the people. Of course, sometimes corruption occurs, but in general, they tend to work out pretty well and be a huge success. As you guys know, there are hundreds of different countries around the world, and each of those countries have various different types of government and different branches of different types of government and really implement their own style in their own way. But today we'll be talking about just 5 main types of government around the world. The first type of government we'll be talking about is an oligarchy. An oligarchy is defined as a group of people that have control over a country, organization, or institution. These tend to be a small group of ruling classes, tend to be wealthier families that rule. A good example of this is ancient Sparta. The second type of government we'll be talking about today is an anarchy. An anarchy is defined as a state of disorder due to absence or non-recognition of authority. These tend to be people that come in and overthrow government because they've seen corruption and they're not happy or pleased with the way it's going. Unfortunately, these don't tend to really work out as well as one would hope. Our third type of government is a monarchy. A monarchy is defined as a form of government with a monarch at the head. The monarch really just means a king or queen or some sort of ruling family that holds the power. There are different kinds of monarchies. In England, we say constitutional monarchy. This isn't quite the same. They do have a parliament that really does rule.